students, in the last class we have seen some Boolean rules, and in this video we are going to see some exercises for simplifying the Boolean functions using the rules. Okay, see, this is your first exercise, AB plus AB bar. Okay, so take this as a function. F is equal to A and B, that is A and gate. Okay, and A and B complement. Okay, so instead of first of all you have to think of the priority rule. Okay, so which is the first operation you should be prioritized first? That is NOT gate. Okay, first of all try to apply the NOT rule first. Okay, here NOT rule means nothing but De Morgan's law. Okay, so NOT oda rule inga apply panna mudiyudha appdin paarenga, but unfortunately we couldn't use NOT rule to simplify this expression. Okay, so and then move for AND gate. Okay, AND gate use பண்ணி நம்ம simplify பண்ணோம் இல்லையா, so அந்த rule use பண்ண முடியுதான்னு பாருங்க. A dot A bar, A dot A dot 1. Okay, so and unfortunately we couldn't use that AND rules also, and then move for OR. Okay, so OR rule apply பண்ற மாதிரி நம்ம இந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷனை simplify பண்ணணும். Okay, அப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா, see, take this A as a common variable. Okay, so B plus B bar. Here we know that B plus B bar is nothing but 1. Okay, and you just refer for the OR rules. So A dot 1, finally F is equal to A. This is your simplified Boolean function. Okay, see, instead of using this big expression we are just simplifying this Boolean function using the rules. Okay, this is your second exercise, guys. Okay, so take this as a function. So here you are going to take as a common variable from all these terms. So A B bar C bar. Okay, and here we are going to apply the distributive law. Okay, see, நம்ம ரூல்ஸ் பார்க்கும்போது டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் லா யூஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு டெரிவேஷனோட ஆன்சர் நம்ம பார்த்தோம். ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த ரெண்டு ரூலை நான் என்ன சொன்னேன், இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ரூலாக நீங்கள் கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னேன்னா. ஓகே, ஸோ வாட் இஸ் தட்? A plus A bar B is equal to A just B, A plus B. Here what I did, I just ignore this A bar. Okay, so இந்த ரெண்டு வேரியபிள்ஸ் மட்டும் எடுத்திருக்கேன். Okay, so the same way we are doing here. So A as it is plus take these two terms. So I am just ignoring this B bar. So B plus C and B bar C bar as it is. Okay, and again I am going to apply the same rule over here. See this? Take these two terms. Okay, so B plus B bar C bar. Okay, so I am again just ignoring this B bar. So A into B plus C bar and this C as it is. And here C bar plus C gives 1 only, B plus 1, and again here, see here, any variable is odd with 1. Okay, so any variable is odd with 1 will give the result as 1 only. So A into 1, and finally F is equal to A. This is your finalized Boolean expression. Dear students, this is your third exercise. Take this as a function f is equal to a plus b plus c and a plus b bar plus c and a plus b plus c bar. Okay, so this is a 3 variable expression. Just to make this expression for our convenient, okay, I'm just going to take x is equal to a plus b. So this is for our convenience, guys. Let x is equal to a plus b. Okay, so substitute x in terms of a plus b. So f is equal to x plus c into a plus b bar plus c into x plus c bar. Okay, so we can write this expression as x plus c into x plus c bar into a plus b bar plus c. Okay, see, we can place this x plus c bar over here as per the commutative law. You just refer that. Okay, then according to distributive law, a plus bc is equal to a plus b and a plus c. Okay, here consider these two terms. Okay, so and compare with this rule a plus b, a plus c. Okay, see, what is our answer? A plus bc. Okay, see here x is the common term like a. Okay, so x plus c into c bar. Okay, see, we are simplifying this step using this distributive law. And then this term as it is a plus b bar plus c. Okay, and we know that c and c bar, which gives 0. Okay, and this term as it is, and this is as per OR rule. Okay, so x plus 0, it gives x only. So x and a plus b bar plus c. Okay, here substitute the x value. Substitute the x value in this expression. Okay, so a plus b into a plus b bar plus c. Okay, so again we are going to apply distributive law over here. See, a plus bc is equal to a plus b and a plus c. Okay, so compare these two terms. See, a plus b and a plus b and a plus, consider these two terms as c. Okay, so what is the expression we will get? So, see, what is your answer? So here a is common. Okay, plus b and, so what is your c term here? See this one, b complement plus c. Okay, so then multiply this b term inside this bracket. So a plus b and b bar plus b and c. Okay, and you know b and b bar gives 0 only. That is b and b bar is equal to 0, and your final answer is a plus b dot c. This is your fourth exercise, guys. Take this function f is equal to a plus b bar and a bar plus b and a bar plus b bar. Okay, see here, use distributive law. Okay, see why we are straight away moving to distributive law. First of all, we have to think of whether we can apply not rule over here or not. Okay, so first of all, we should give the priority for not operation. Okay, so we cannot do any not operation over here for simplification. Okay, and then we'll move for and operation. Okay, for using and rules also we couldn't simplify this expression. Okay, and then finally we have to simplify this expression using only by or rules only. Okay, so for applying or rule or some other rules, okay, we have to think of it and we'll move for simplification, and here we can use distributive law. Okay, so on seeing the expression itself, you should be concluding this thing. See this, what is your distributive law? A plus BC is equal to A plus B and A plus C. Okay, see, take these two terms. Here, see, compare these two, then you will get to know. Okay, see, this term is same and this term is also same. And see, what is your answer? What you should get A is common and plus B in, that is AND operation. Okay, so B and B bar. Then take these two terms. So here, see this, A bar will be common and plus B into B bar. Okay, and see this, we can apply 0 over here. Okay, as B and B bar will give 0, and here also same. So A into A bar, and this will also give 0. So this is your finalized Boolean expression.